our family channel Rushika's Food World. Today I got something special in my refrigerator. It is a raw mango. I wonder what special we can make out of this raw mango. Let me ask my mother. Mama, can you make something special out of this mango?
Sure, dear. I could make a poha with this raw mango. Come, I'll show you how to make it.
So, thank you, Mama. So, let's zoom into the kitchen with my Mama.
Hello, viewers. Today I'm going to make a poha with a raw mango. So, let's start. First, we have to add 2 tablespoons of oil. After oil gets heated, fry some peanuts. Peanuts is getting fried. Meanwhile, we have to cut some onions, grated raw mango, coriander leaves and green chilies. We have to keep it ready. Always fry a peanuts in a slow flame. Otherwise, it will burn from outside and it will not cook from inside. Peanuts fried nicely. Now I am going to remove it. I have removed all the fried peanuts. In the same oil, I am going to add cumin seeds and urad dal. Cumin seeds and urad dal has fried nicely. Now we have to add curry leaves and green chilies. Now after this I am going to add 2 big sliced onions. We will fry it till light brown. Now the onions are fried nicely. Now we will add a raw mango. Now in this we'll add salt and turmeric and keep it a lid so that in that it will smash and cook nicely. See, I have added salt and turmeric. Now I'll keep it a lid and let it cook for 5 minutes so that raw mango will cook nicely. A small tips I want to give you all. During summer season we get raw mangoes in the market, so we can take that raw mango, clean it and grate it nicely and cook it by putting little oil and some salt, and you can refrigerate it for 1 month so that you can use for this rice or poha. Wherever you want you can use it. It will be stored for 1 or 2 months. See, the mangoes are cooked and soft. We'll cook another 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. This mango pulp, this raw mango pulp can be used in fish curry, for rice, for dal. While cooking dal, if you will add a raw mango, it will become awesome dal. I will show you one day that also. And we are adding it in poha. In many variations this raw mangoes can be used. And during this summer only we will get in the market, so definitely you store it. Now in this stage we are going to add a poha which has been washed for 1 time. Now the poha is ready. Now in this stage we can add coriander leaves. Mix it well. Mix it well and just eat it. Yummy healthy breakfast is ready. I'll show you. See, a delicious healthy yummy breakfast is ready. It is made up of poha and a raw mango. So do try this recipe and drop your comments so that I can come with new recipes to show you all. God bless you all. Take care.